What is cyberstalking?
According to the Dictionary of Oxford Languages, cyberstalking is the repeated use of electronic communication to harass or to frighten. For example, sending threatening emails. In a world connected by technology, some cross the line from communication to harassment. Cyberstalking is real, and it's violation of privacy and safety. But there's a way to stop it. It starts with your awareness and action.
Protect yourself and loved ones. Take control. Use the social media.
Join us in the fight against cyberstalking. Respect and privacy prevail.
Respect online boundaries. Say no to cyberstalking.